The Object Control panel is on the right of the screen. Each object is displayed with its corresponding image and also has a name. To see hidden objects, just scroll the panel. At the top of the panel, you have the tools for working with objects. The first option allows you to see the selected number of objects, as well as the total number of objects per scene. To see the number of selected objects, select one or more objects and see how many of them are selected and how many there are in total. To search for an object, use the search box. Just start typing the first letters of the object and you will see the displayed objects on the panel. Object selection happens in the viewport of the workspace as well as on the panel. On the right side of the panel are additional options for working with objects, such as hiding, locking, and isolating. To show all objects, one or more objects must be hidden in the panel. After hiding all the objects, you can apply the Show All action. To isolate an object that you are comfortable working with, select it and apply the action Isolate. You will only see one object in the viewport desktop. If you want to add one more, just click on the icon and you will see two or more objects. To exit the isolation screen, you need to click on the same icon. All the objects will be shown on the scene. Objects. Also use the View menu, where you can find options to hide an object, hide all objects, and show all objects.